రోజా గారు ఓకేరా ఓకే
Here we are with the fifth match of the day, with Nandi Chargers up against the Raptors. Nandi Chargers with 1 point and they're on their second serve. Raptors till now have won 3 games. They have won men's doubles, women's doubles and women's singles just before this game, and now it's the time for the men's doubles. Match 5. Raptors are on their strike. They got the serve. So whoever gets the serve, they get a chance to win the point. So from Raptors, it's Rishabh and Tamin, and Nandi Chargers, it's Sai Sharan and Siddharth Reddy who are leading. And the next 2 games are crucial for Nandi Chargers, because if they win the next 2 games, then only they can go for a game breaker. If not, it's a clear win for the Raptors. So the Raptors, they're already leading this game with 2 points and 1 point for Nandi Chargers, and they got their 3rd point. And also they have this serve. The Raptors look confident. Definitely, because the Raptors already they won 3 matches. All they need is just 1 more win this to have a clear win. But for Nandi Chargers, the case is completely different, because Nandi Chargers, they have to win the next 2 matches. Then only they can go for a game breaker. And in the game breaker, there's a chance for either Nandi Chargers or Raptors to win this game. The Raptors on their serve, they just got a point. That's a good one from Nandi Chargers. Though they don't get the point, still they got the serve from the Raptors. Good cross-court exchange. And that's an error from Nandi Chargers. Good one by the Raptors. Well played, Nandi. We can see in the replay the beautiful guess prediction from the Raptors, and they're able to miss that ball which went out of the line. The Nandi Chargers, they have taken their time out and discussing about the strategy, how to get the points, because it's a crucial win for Nandi Chargers. And not only this, they have to win the second match, next match too, the mixed doubles. Then only they can get the game breaker, and there's a chance for them to win this match. If not, if they lose this match, then it's a clear win for the Raptors.
Raptors here calling the shots. 4-1. Rishabh and Thomin. Sai Sharan and Siddharth Reddy on the other side.
Easy, Saran. Take a deep breath. You're good. Come on.
4-1 is the score. The Nandi Chargers lost from a very promising position in the last encounter. That was the women's singles. This is the men's doubles 2.
And I was saying, Kishore, it was a must win. It's a must win for the Nandi Chargers, because they have to win the next 2 matches to be in the game. If not, they're going to lose the game, because all Raptors already won 3 games and Nandi they have won only 1 game as of now. So for them, the next two matches, these two matches are very crucial for them to get into the game breaker. Then only they have a chance to win this game. So what do you think? What kind of strategy Nandi Chargers should come up with? Because already the Raptors are leading this game with 6 points and Nandi are only with the 1 point lead. And we can see that, how Raptors are happy, how happy they are. And we can see Tarun Bhaskar should be jumping with happiness because it's just... whether they lose this match also, it's there's nothing to lose for the Raptors because still they have one more match to win. But for Nandi Chargers, it's a do-or-die situation. So what kind of strategy Nandi Chargers should come up with?
Simple, I would want them to come up all guns blazing. Simple, they don't have a choice, They're pushed to the wall. They're under tremendous pressure. They need to bring their best. There's no second chance for them, so it is do or die for them. So they have to bring their best. So come what may, they will have to play their best, and that's what unfortunately is not happening for the Nandi Chargers as we speak. They are staring at a 5-point deficit.
Good dink rally and a good one from Nandi Chargers. That's a miss from the Raptors.
Very good dink rally there from the Nandi Chargers. They need more of these. They need more of this. I think the Raptors is Rishabh has called like he wasn't ready out there. So maybe it will still be the first serve for the Nandi Chargers.
Definitely, we keep seeing that Nandi Chargers, they have been discussing a lot there's a discussion between Sai Saran and Siddharth about the strategy, and it's a serve for Nandi Chargers and they could get a point. These are the kind of shots where Nandi Chargers have to play to put Raptors under pressure and to get the points. So they shouldn't lose any of this serve, and in each and every serve they shouldn't let for any unforced errors, and they try to get the points. That's a good one from Nandi Chargers, another point. So Nandi Chargers are with 3 points and the Raptors are with 6 points. Nandi Chargers are slowly crawling up and putting the Raptors under pressure. Now it's a chance for the Raptors. Since it's their serve, they have a chance to get the points. All they have to do is, the Raptors, they shouldn't let for any unforced errors, and they should get the Nandi Chargers to do unforced errors and get the points. That's an unforced errors from the Raptors. Second serve for the Raptors. Still they have a chance to get the point. That's a good drop shot from Nandi Chargers, and they got the serve back. Nandi Chargers on their serve. That's a beautiful rally and a shot point for Nandi Chargers. Nandi Chargers are with 4 points and the Raptors are with 6 points.
The buck is shut in 5 minutes. If you want to get a drink, do it right now. Thank you.
I beg your pardon. Nandi Chargers, they didn't get any point. They just got the second serve. Nandi Chargers are charging up the crowd. Nandi Chargers crowd is charging up the Nandi Chargers. Definitely they are getting good motivation from the crowd. We can clearly see how the Nandi Chargers team are cheering up them, because it's a crucial win for Nandi Chargers, and they have to win this match. Not only this one, even the second match also, the next mixed doubles also they have to win. Then only they can be in this game. If not, it's a clear win for the Raptors. But still we can see that Raptors are with 7 points and they got the second serve. That's a good dink rally. And it's a miss by Nandi Chargers. Raptors are with 8 points with their second serve, and Nandi Chargers are with 3 points.
Hey, you guys got this. Come on, easy. Easy.
Definitely, whenever they reach 8 points, it's a change of court for Raptors and Nandi Chargers. Raptors on their second serve with 8 points, and Nandi Chargers are with 3 points. That's a good shot from Nandi Chargers, and they got the serve back. Good one from the Raptors.
Come on.
8-4 for the Raptors in the first serve. Be the second serve, and unforced error at the net there, so makes it a second serve. And I'll have to see what game plan do the Nandi Chargers deploy now. They're trailing by 5 points. I love the jersey of Nandi Chargers, the Siddharth Reddy there, 999. Looks like his lucky number. 007 for Sai Saran.
James Bond 007. I would say sure.
So they've all come up with a plan here, with numbers.
Yeah.
The number game maybe. But unfortunately, the scoreboard's number game is not working in their favor as of now.
And it's a do or die match for Nandi Chargers, because not only this game, even the next game also they have to win this match. But still they have Nandi Chargers are with 5 points and the Raptors are with 9 points. And still they got their serve. So there's a chance for Nandi Chargers to get the points. Still, all they have to do is that, they shouldn't give any chance for the unforced errors. That's all they have to maintain to get the points. But still, they lost the serve. They lost the first serve, and this is the second serve for them.
Videos of the kitchen, things there.
Kishore, I still don't understand the strategy. Men's doubles, if we say men's double, mostly they try to play dink shots, and women's, they try to play the smash shots, and they open up the court and they play with different pace, with different shots and all. But I don't know why men's, they stick to only dink shots.
Maybe that's a question for the experts to answer. I will leave it to the experts. But Mansa, thank you for this question, because when I go out and maybe talk to a player out there, I will certainly ask this question on your behalf.
Please. Or, we have to make someone, captain or anyone to come and sit here, and, we have to ask this question.
Absolutely.
Why is this? Men's doubles, always they play for a dink shot, and, women's, they play smash shots.
Absolutely. And
Which I expect the opposite, but, still, it's completely different here. I have to know the strategy, because, whenever I play pickleball, I'll follow this strategy.
So we're hearing it from one expert out there in the commentary box, Manasa, on how she goes about with her game. But as of now, it's a 3-point lead for the Raptors. 9-6. Nandi Chargers in their first serve. Smash. Forehand shot. The net doesn't help this time. It will be a second serve. They were looking promising. They were looking very good. But all they need is that slice of luck which they did not have at this point.
They're slowly trying to get the points, but those unforced errors are making them to lose their confidence and putting them under pressure. Now Raptors got the serve, and now it's a time for the Raptors to get the points. All they need is just to make the Nandi Chargers to make the unforced errors. What do you think? What Raptors are going to do? Are they going to play smash shots or ding shots, or are they going to make Nandi Chargers make unforced errors? What do you say, Kishore?
Just have to stick to the basics. That's the easy way out, or that's maybe the logical way out, because you don't have to try anything new out there. Forehand shot from Saran goes on to the net.
Tarun Bhaskar, he's enjoying the game, because definitely he can see that Raptors, they are winning. Last week they lost the match. They have gone till the game breaker, but still they lost the match. So obviously there'll be disappointment for Tarun Bhaskar. But this time I think clearly we can see him enjoying this match and cheering for his team. So all they need is this one win, then they'll be a clear winner for this game. Second serve for the Raptors, 9 points. Raptors, and 6 points for Nandi Chargers. Smash shot to the net.
Serve to the Nandi Chargers now. 6-9. 3 points behind. They get 2 chances at serving.
But still, I would say Nandi Chargers, they have the chance to win this match, because they're just 3 points away, and you never know, anything can happen in pickleball.
Does this go out? Has this gone out? We have to see. The scoreboard hasn't updated. It's a review that he is asking. Sai Saran wants the review.
What do you think, Kishore? Do you think that Kidambi Srikanth will give his inputs when Nandi Chargers need him? Do you think that he'll share his inputs or the strategies?
Absolutely. I think more than the inputs part of it, I think his presence will have a calming effect, because he's played the game at the highest level. He has he knows what it takes to be a champion player. He knows what it takes to play under pressure. Beautiful
That's
smash
it.
shot.
Good smash shot from Sharan. Though he don't get the point, but a well-deserved shot, and Raptors are on the second serve.
Raptors will need to hold their serve. They need to go ahead and get points on board. Service has come to the Nandi Chargers. 3 points.
Nandi Chargers team captain looks a bit disappointed and a bit frustrated too. They're trying to cheer up the team. We can see how they're a bit frustrated the way Nandi Chargers are playing, because they're losing the points with unforced errors and all. Good point for Nandi Chargers. Nandi Chargers are with 7 points, and the Raptors are with 9 points.
Absolutely, it's going to rub in somewhere, the pressure of the scoreboard there. Now you see 2 points in succession means they're just 1 point behind the Raptors.
This is what we call pickleball, because anything can happen. They have slowly constructed the points, and they are with 8 points, Nandi Chargers, and the Raptors are with 9 points. Kidambi Srikanth, now the match is very exciting. It's a thrilling match, I can say, because they're trying to level up, equal the points. Good one from Saran. He could break the serve, though he don't get the point, but still there's a chance to break the serve, and there's a second serve for the Raptors. Nandi Chargers with 8 points, and the Raptors are with 9. Good one. They got their point. Raptors are with 10 points, and Nandi Chargers are with 8 points, and they're on the second serve.
Goes out here. All he had to do was block the ball, but he did. The ball just taking the edge of the paddle and flying out.
He tried for a smash shot, but that couldn't work for the Raptors, and they have given the serve to the Nandi Chargers, and that's a point for Nandi Chargers. 9 for Nandi Chargers and 10 for the Raptors.
Exactly what Nandi needs to be doing to crawl back into this contest.
And it's the serve time, so they have a chance to win the point too. It's equal now, 10-all for Raptors and Nandi Chargers. So anything can happen, only 5 points away to win this match. And it's a crucial match for Nandi Chargers because it's a must-win for Nandi Chargers, and not only this match, even the second match too.
They say that every remarkable journey starts with a single step. And for us at Vijaya Diagnostic Center, the first step way back in 1981 was guided by a remarkable vision of Dr. Surinder Reddy. A vision to provide reliable and accurate diagnostic services to our customers all under one roof at affordable prices in a customer-centric manner. And then there was no looking back after. 40 years later, the founding family-led Vijaya Diagnostic Center today has become the most sought after and a household name for this.
Voice of the war of voices there between the Go Chargers and the Raptors. Go Chargers by the Nandi Chargers bench. The Raptors have not been able to match the decibel levels of the Nandi Chargers as of now. Getting back into the contest here after a short break. The Nandi Chargers looks like their voices have rubbed it off on the players as well.
I think the crowd charge really worked for Nandi Chargers, I guess. They are back to their momentum and they're on their winning streak, trying to get the points. It's a nice shot, dink shot, but that was a miss from Nandi Chargers, and
The Chargers need to keep continuing the good work that they have done. One point in the lead the Raptors are.
And Raptors on the second serve. Still they have the chance to get the points. Nandi Chargers are with 10 points. Good one. Now it's the time for the Nandi Chargers to get their points because whoever serves the match, only they get the points. So Nandi Chargers has the chance to get the points. All they need is just 1 point to equal the score. Good one from Nandi Chargers. From Siddharth Reddy. Now it's 11 each for the Nandi Chargers and Raptors. They have equaled the score now. Go Chargers! Go Chargers! Even I'm cheering up Nandi Chargers with Kidambi Shrikant. Kishore. You can see the kind of energy even Nandi Chargers giving for their team. I think this is the reason why Nandi Chargers are able to come back and win this match, or to equal the Raptors. Where were they first with 3 points, where the Raptors were with 9 points, and now we see here they have equaled the points.
That's pickleball. It's never say never. It's not over until the last rally is played, until the last point is won. Backhand shot there, but does not get through. Service to the Raptors.
That was an unforced error from Sharan. I think she shouldn't let these unforced errors, because this is a crucial match for them, because this is a must do or die win for the Nandi Chargers.
This is out, way out there. The Raptors bench is charged out there. They've regained that 1 point lead. The most important part, taking a lead in this stage of the match will hold them good, will do a lot of good for them.
That was a misjudgment from Sharan. He thought of going for a smash shot, but it was a bad luck that it went out of the line.
Fortunes oscillating here. 11-12. Nandi Chargers is Sai Sharan and Siddharth Reddy on serve.
Now Nandi has the chance to get the points, because since they got the serve, that's a miss. Second serve by Sharan. They missed the shot. Tension arises with Nandi Chargers. We can see tension faces in the crowd from Nandi Chargers, because they are 1 point behind from the Raptors, and it's a do or die situation for Nandi Chargers, because it's a must win for them. If not, they are out of this game, because already Raptors, they have won 3 matches, and Nandi, they have won only 1.
(12-11) as we speak here. Watching the highlights of some of the points that were won in during the course of this match. Sai Sharan and Siddharth Reddy of the Nandi Chargers, Trisha Brahma and Thamin of the Raptors. They're doing pretty well here. The bench of the Raptors here. That's the bench of the Nandi Chargers. The Raptors need 3 points to wrap this up. They're on serve. It is their first serve. Miss it. A forehand shot. Straight goes onto the net. Does not get the elevation at all this time. The elevation that is needed for the ball to cross the net does not happen. Second serve for the Raptors.
I think among all the matches, I can say this is the nail-biting match which we have been watching. And we can see how Nandi Chargers co-owner Kidambi Srikanth is cheering up his team. So Nandi Chargers are on this serve, and there's a chance for Nandi Chargers to win this match, to get the point. An error from Nandi Chargers.
Why did I spot a Mavericks fan amidst the Raptors bench? Good to see a lot of teams out here supporting other teams as well. We've got 8 teams here in this competition: All Stars, Raptors, Thermo Titans, Dasos Dynamos, Starry Smashers, Nandi Chargers, the Mavericks and the Kirti Warriors.
No, the competition is aside, but it's good to see how the other teams are cheering up the non-match teams. I mean, when they're not playing, they're coming up and they're cheering up the match teams who are playing the match. Even we have seen how Sushant has come and congratulated women's singles player Niharika. That's the beauty of the game, I would say. This is what even we need, the sportsmanship.
Absolutely, and the community in as well. So Nandi Chargers here are on serve. They get the point here. They are trailing by 1 point. It's still their first serve.
And still they have the chance to get this point too, because they have 2 serve chances. And whenever they have the serve, they get a chance to win the point too. They lost the serve, but still they have 1 more serve left. Saran is on serve. No, sorry, not Saran.
Thirteen all as we speak here. The Nandi Chargers are doing everything to draw level here. Can they take that lead? Can they go to match point? Yes, they do. It is match point for the Nandi Chargers.
And it's a must win for Nandi Chargers to be in the game. If not, they're going to lose this game, because already Raptors, they won 3 games and Nandi are only with 1 game. And not only this, even the second match also they have to win.
(13-14). The Raptors have 2 serves now. They have to make this count if they need to go ahead and win this contest.
Still Raptors, they have the chance to get the point. They lost the first serve, but still they have the second serve now. All they have to get is like 1 point to equal the level.
Forehand shot goes out down the line. Second serve for the Raptors, but this time they make it count here. 14 all.
That's a good smash shot from the Raptors. 14 all.
Rishabh Rama and Thaman.
Now match point for Nandi Chargers. It's the serve point. All they need is just 1 point to win this match, and it's a crucial match for Nandi Chargers because it's a must win for them. It's a do or die match for the Nandi Chargers. They lost the serve. Still they have the second serve. Kishore, let's see.
Captain of Nandi Chargers there, Sahiti.
Enjoying, because she knows that it's a thrilling match, and she's even enjoying the match. I think she's trying to control the pressure, the tension. That's what she's trying to do, I guess.
Absolutely. It's out. The Raptors get the serve. A chance for the Raptors to make it count here. The fortunes are fluctuated. That is what pickleball is all about.
All they need
14 all.
All they need is just to make 1 unforced error by the Nandi Chargers.
But they make an unforced error here. The Raptors make an unforced error. A backhand shot at the net. But all they find is the net out there. 14 all.
I was telling to make Nandi Chargers make unforced errors, but they are doing the unforced errors, which they shouldn't.
The Nandi Chargers get the serve back. Wow, what a match we are witnessing here.
I can say it's a nail-biting match, Kishore. Among all the matches, this is an interesting match, and I want to see who's going to win this match. Saran lost the serve. Still they have a second serve left. Still they have a chance to get the point too, and it's a do-or-die match for Nandi Chargers.
There it is. Finally that comes through. 15-14 now. Need a 2-point difference to win. So Nandi Chargers hold the aces here. Waiting for the review here. Taken a review. At the same time, the Raptors have also taken a breather. Rishabh Rama and Thamin. Fortunes fluctuated from one end to another. Both the teams had their chances. Both the teams had opportunities to make it count. Both the teams should have gone ahead and seized it when it mattered, but As the fortunes fluctuated, we now here at 15-14 in favor of the Nandi Chargers. 1 point to win this contest. Sai Saran and Siddharth Reddy here of the Nandi Chargers. 15 is their score. Rishabh Rama and Thamin of the Raptors on 14.
See, after seeing this match, all I can... I remember one movie, Kishore. Can you guess, what movie I'm going to say? 70 minute. बस 70 minute है तुम्हारे पास. The famous Check the India dialogue. All I can say is that, all they have is just... They have to win 1 point to win this match. It's a good nail-biting match, I can say. I would call this as... What's it? I think it's in, right? Out.
I think it is just off the line. No, it is
it's
in.
It's in. It's
In
in.
there.
And Nandi are with 1 point.
Kidambi Srikanth and his wife Shravya. Raptors take the serve back. Raptors get the serve. 15-14. The Raptors now need to go ahead and win 3 points here to win this contest. They're not doing it as of now. It's the second serve in for the Raptors. It's called out there.
Happy faces from Nandi Chargers. From the dugout.
Very well played by the Raptors there. Excellent placement. And they need to go and produce these kind of shots a little more often now if they need to go and win this contest.
That's a miss by Saran. He shouldn't have played that shot, but it was misjudged by him.
The second serve of the Raptors now. 14-15. The Nandi Chargers hold the edge as of now. They need to win the point here. Net helps the Chargers. Beautifully done by the Nandi Chargers. They get the serve back. 15-14. 1 point away here.
To win this
Kidambi
match,
Srikanth is happy.
definitely we can see happy faces from the bench. Kidambi Srikanth, who is cheering up his team. And now it's a serve point, serve for Nandi Chargers. So they have a chance to get the point. All they need is just 1 point to win this game.
Net helping on a couple of occasions. This time it's gone out. It's gone long. It's gone long. That was Sai Saran out there. Goes long.
Definitely,
And-
Sai Saran was unable to execute that shot properly. It was a miss from Saran.
Once more. It is Raptors who have the serve now. The Nandi Chargers bench cannot believe it. It was an opportunity that was there for the taking, but unfortunately, they fluffed it here. Let's see what the Raptors can do. What can they do as they go and hit the ball out? It was Thamin there with that backhand. Hits it out. Second serve for the Raptors.
What do you think? Do you think that Seren is under pressure, that he's making many mistakes?
I cannot think anything at this point, Manas, honestly. The fortunes are fluctuating. What a match we're having here. I just hope one team holds the aces and wins this contest. Good use of the kitchen. Now there's how it goes out.
So for Nandi Chargers, 15 points. Nandi Chargers with 15 points and the Raptors with 14 points.
Nandi Chargers holding the aces. What do we have here? Yes, we have a timeout. The Raptors have taken a timeout. The Nandi Chargers don't need a timeout. They are pumped up. It's the captain there along with the team. They want to go ahead and win this at any cost here. Win the next match as well. Force the game changer.
I can see happy faces from the bench, and definitely the Raptors are a bit disappointed. And obviously, I can see tense faces from the Raptors and the Nandi Chargers happy faces.
It's all about the fast-paced game. We're doing an injury timeout. The team physio of Raptors quickly coming in like a Formula One pit stop, trying to put the bandage on. The player will be back on soon. So we are here with the Nandi Chargers fan base right here. Any thoughts?
Injury timeout for the Raptors. Immediate treatment and after an injury timeout, the game resumes here. 15-14 for the Nandi Chargers. The Chargers will have to ace this 1 point away. They've got 2 serves to do that. They've done that there. 16-14.